Let's look at this problem right here. Here's this question is asking the solutions to the quadratic equation x square minus 11x plus 22 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 6. What is the base of the numbers? Okay, so this is in some base. It might be base 8, base 10 or whatever. We need to find out what base is it based on the given informations. Okay, so first we have the equation which is x square minus 11x plus 22. Now if we have a quadratic equation given like this, to find out the roots, what we do is we find out the number. When we add, we should get 11. When we multiply, we should get 22. But the numbers are already given. Okay, this is equal to 0 and the numbers are given, which is x is equal to 3, x is equal to 6. So we know the roots are x is equal to 3, x is equal to 6. We can also express this one like x minus 3 times x minus 6 is equal to 0. So what does this numbers tell us is that, okay, this 11 come from if we add these two numbers together. So x square minus 6 plus 3 should be 11. Okay, which is not true in base number 10. Base number 10 is the one we use regularly, but this might be some other base that if you add 6 and 3, you get 11. And then plus when you multiply, you should get 22. So if you multiply 6 and 3, you should get 22. This is not true in base 10, but in some other number system, this is true. Okay, now we have to find out what base numbers make this one true. So in order to do that, we can just take one of these, like we know that. Okay, so here from this one, we know that 6 plus 3 is 11. Okay, I'm just, because this equation, these two are same. Okay, okay, I forgot to put an x here. 6 plus 3, which is 11. That's what I took. I just took this part alone and put it right here. Now from this one, we can find out what's the base it is. Now 6 times b to the power 0. 6 is just one number, so 6 times b to the power 0 plus 3 times b to the power 0. And then 11 is two numbers, so the first number get the b power 0 weight, and the second number get b power 1 as a weight. Okay. Okay. So b to the power 0 is 1, so we just get 6, and then 3 times 1 is just 3, and then here b to the power 1 remains b, and then b power 0 is 1, so 1 times 1, which is 1. So this is going to be 6 plus 3, 9, and this is b plus 1, and if you rearrange this, b is going to be equal to 9 minus 1, which is 8. So the base is 8. Now this one kind of makes sense, because when you add 6 plus 3, if you are getting 11, which means the maximum number is 7, and then 7, 8. Okay, so you get 6 plus 3, 11 for this. That is because it's starting from 0. Okay, let me see. 6 plus 3, 7. Six plus 3, we should get 9, but we get 7, and then it goes to, okay, it goes to after 7. What happens is after 7, it doesn't go to 8 or 9 or 10. It go to 1 0, then 1 1. So now it makes 8 is equivalent to 1 0, and the 9 is equal to 1 1. Okay, so that's why the base for base 8, if you add 6 plus 3, 11, which is true. So we know that the base of this number is 8. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.